right, we have the GoPro Mission 1 Pro 1-inch sensor here. We're going to unbox. Welcome to the Unbox channel. AK60, AK Open Gate, 4K 120, and 1080p 960. This is the Unbox channel in case you didn't know that. And we're unboxing stuff here, showing you what it's like. Unbox it anyway, so I might as well record it and you guys can live vicariously through that. So for starters, let's find a way to open this thing right here. Oh, well, that's the sound of me buying this thing forever. So this is what it looks like. It's like a bathtub here. All right, interesting. Okay. Update the camera. Blah, blah, blah. Here is the thing. You have USB-C. They have definitely streamlined their packaging big time. Lens hood. Oh, it's more rubbery than I thought it was going to be, like silicone. Classic GoPro mounts. GoPro battery. You only get one in this bundle. Is it the same as the other ones? Enduro 2. Oh, that's not a good noise. And here is the GoPro itself. It's not the Hero anymore, it is the Mission. Which you can see, it's got that big sensor front screen. Don't know if it's touchscreen yet. This is, at least they have this now. They warn people, this is not a door. Don't open this. This is just a drain for the microphone. Remember back in the day, people would think that that was a door and work on that. And the back touchscreen, battery compartment, card slot goes there. No internal memory like the other ones, but you know, it is what it is. I wonder if this is the same battery door as the other one. I'll have a look at that. So let's go ahead and power this thing on. Nice vibrant screen. Can we just use it? It's got GPS. We'll turn that on. We don't need voice control. Low battery, so we're going to have to charge that thing up with that USB-C. That is does stick out quite a bit, this mode button and the top button. This does come off, and there's going to be interchangeable little lenses. Well, yeah, not the micro four thirds, that's later on. You have built into it, I think there's the quick one. Let's have a look. So I have, so it's definitely not your normal battery, but I have the other door and see if it works. And it does. Does that mean it's going to charge it? Yeah, because it's USB-C right there. So if you have that magnetic one, that's good. And then you have the quick mount there. So that works with it. Great. Got to insert an SD card. So you got to set it all up, and that's always a mission in it of itself. But there you go. That's the unbox for the GoPro Mission 1. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next unboxing.